So friend, what is component management? And last previous video I'm told you. So this is my Blue Sky channel, and you can see just what is component management. So part one, part two, part three watch, and after watch these part four. So last previous video, what is a driver and what some driver? How can we understand these systems here? And how can we manage these driver here? So what is a driver, what is a why using a driver in a computer? So I will discuss in this video more detail for you. So let's start here. And sometimes drivers not work perfectly because some expired their drivers, so you must update your operating systems and drivers, and you coming with a new operating systems, and then you are add a new devices, just like I'm purchased new printer, and that reason means I must enter that printer driver here. Okay, and you can see a USB type controller, USB drivers install. Okay, so this type USB serial, USB root hub, USB all of driver you can see. So you can see backside your port USB pins here, and this not only for work only one USB with work other devices, just like you can see a pen drive, memory card, memory reader, everything USB work with different type technology. So you can see this is all system devices, means system add driver by default, and operating system. So you can see processor, every important drivers and special driver work special devices here. Okay, so computer management new device manager, and you can control only this type from here. Okay, your computer managing systems here. So this is important for some time your driver, and you can driver install only two type, your system disks, and other your hard you online download, and online download time you can check first your motherboard, and your device model number. So in case your printer new, and printer very different type available in so you can see a processor, this my processor, and you can see here my processor numbers here G30240. So internet on completely, and second is a 32-bit 64-bit, very important. So you can see here systems and system different type. Ethernet connection you can see 12.1.2.17v. So Ethernet connection showing my internet connections. So I'm using two type connection, wireless systems and wire technology. RJ45 work with Ethernet systems here, you can see here. Okay, so scan you can, maybe your hard disk you not showing other and operating system not showing new, so you can scan hardware changes. Okay, and new device appear here, but sometime you can see here properties, click on here, and you can see different type properties available options in this feature. So you can click on general, and you can see this type, device name, device type, and manufacturer company and location you can see here, and details you can change a different type. You can you want share, you can class type information, and okay, you will last GNOME parent, USB root. Okay, different type details you can use different by you can filter your systems here. Okay, you can USB 8 to 11 USB wireless LAN card. Advanced systems here you can see, advanced mean your advanced your systems, radio on off, roaming, everything. driver. This is the driver main option for your device driver. You can see your driver detail. So I click on driver detail, and all of driver means your system files. One type of file of programming file driver means. So all of driver files is important for, you can see your file explorer, and all by default install driver your Windows partition C inside Windows of Windows this folder here. Okay, so all of drivers and main computer operating system file default in Windows operating systems in window folder. So you can see here, so this is a very important drivers details and drivers uh, you know files here. So you can see a DLL type file, date file, sys file, bin file, different type working programming file. So driver means programming file. This program is control your operating system, control your devices, control your system, and how identify and how work with your devices. That is solving control by your driver and the driver operating system. But sometimes you can see here work with this tab, and maybe you maybe delete your operating system files and your with driver files, so that result only showing corrupted, maybe not perfectly. So be careful work here, and very important locations you can see, be careful anything file not mistake by mistake, not delete file your computer and device file folder and files. Okay, this is very important. And computer here. Okay, click on properties, and you can see different type files available in computer and computer devices. Okay, so this is our location showing where store my already these my files of driver. You can update your driver because sometimes your driver files timing duration you can see here. My driver time is 28 October 15th here. Okay, and driver version 5.1.2.50. so you can update driver directly, but you need first internet connection. Okay, so to type driver install offline and online. Okay, so you can see this type. Okay, and first you can see automatically update driver software. So how this update so first this option you maybe use so first connect your internet and click on here. So this type showing message here, already you install your latest driver. Okay, so all driver file automatically remove, and they install new file and new code. Okay, so second is use your driver software, and your driver your install from your CDs and DVDs, and some you store maybe on one folder inside different type drivers files. Yes, you can see here. So first I am just showing here, I am downloaded this folder in some, and you can see include subfolders. So folder inside different folder in different folder just all of check files and different type files, driver files check automatically, and you can see let pick up from list device, and but I don't like, I like only this tab. Okay, so this is a very important this message already installed because my already update my operating systems. So you can see here 802.11 USB wireless LAN card driver. So different devices you can see let me pick means this type already files installed, and you can choose, you can see here changing the difference between these files 6 June 14 and 28 October 15. So why we are changed here, because this is a very important for every computer and devices driver. So driver file inside, because always driver file in new improvement and new code with new services, and very smoothly work here. So you must update your operating system, and the second your driver. Okay, so you can see here 6 June 14 first my old driver, and you can see at 28 October 15 is my latest. So you can see at this type rollback drive means you if your device fail updating time and sometime, so you can use your previously you installed driver old file of your driver files, and you can use here. So in case sometime maybe you not work, what is a disable means you click on disable, so that time your all of your selected device is disabled not working. So this is a 802.11 my wireless, you can see here, and this type click on disable, this type showing um, okay, Windows disabling this device will cause it stop functioning, and do you really want to you disable it? So this tab showing means you maybe you just click on, so this type 802.11 USB wireless type, other you using this active and using these options disable, so that time not working, your stop working your devices and functions. Okay, so this is a very important for disable and enable. So you can enable first already installed, but you disable and you want again, you can see here disable means this my, you can see here changing here in going to enable systems. So I want again, you can click here and automatically start here, you can see here, and you can see next inside my logo here. Okay, so this my continue work on my wireless LAN card, these my devices. Okay, so this using my Wi-Fi and I'm going to disable. Okay, so automatically disable and not showing again. So you can see, just check here, and you can see this tab. Okay, disable in my, you can see my wireless LAN card here, you can see, and automatically not showing here because my disable my wireless LAN card. Okay, and you maybe watch in computer management, you can see my this device disable not working and showing this tab downside arrow. Okay, so you can see, so all of you can different type views and systems and system type. Here you can see this type showing arrow means disable my stop my these devices, because sometime devices not use unnecessary devices and you can remove, but this time you can enable, you can right click and open enable. Okay, disk management, what is a disk management? This is a very important disk management and very main topic for hard disk. So this disk management is only for hard disks and hard disk partitions and different types, you know. So storage means this is a work only for hard disk partition and hard disk here. So you can see here CMD, and click on, you can see just list disk. So first we check different tab, you can see here files, folders, anything your data, your any work here. So disk management is provide your services as create your hard disk in 4 5 type 6 type your partition. So disk management only for storage permanent your hard disk open, you can see disk management, and very important for every, you can see here this type my partitions here. Okay, and different partition inside different files, folders and subfolders. So what is the disk management working only for, you can see here this is my main partition of operating system partition. Okay, and this is my local partitions here, you can see here local partition means local data here. So some computer files and movies, videos, company documents and anything. So these different way for, and you can quickly access, quickly work in your other partition without changing main partition, without you know partitions not affect other partitions. So this tab provides services, provided services here by storage management. Okay, so what is storage management, and how can we create these partitions, and sometime why create a partition important here. So I will discuss this video in computer management part 5, and continue this topic here. So this video very long here, and how can we control, and how can we create these partitions. What is a partition I will discuss in this video and some other video. So this is our computer management part 5 continue. I will show you. Okay, so this is very important for computer. So thanks for watching my video. Click on bell icon, click on subscribe, click on like button for more motivations.